Hello everyone, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to use Napkin AI. If you're just getting into Napkin.ai, you're going to go over to the top right corner and sign in if you already have an account, or you can get Napkin for free. In order to do that, you need to click on it and then you can log in with your Google, or you can get in with your email. We're going to select with Google to speed things up, and then we're going to select an account. If you're a first timer, you will be asked some questions which you just have to go through, such as how you're planning to use Napkin. And we're going to click next. As you can see, you can select multiple. So we're going to click on submit. And now here in the dashboard, you have just this button, create my first napkin. So we're going to click on it. And then you have two options. You could decide to generate text by using AI, or you could decide to paste your text. We're going to be going with this one. And because we selected to paste our text content, we have some data from our documents, and you could do this from your notes, your documents, your slides, or emails. So we're going to click here and Ctrl V. As you can see, we have data here. By the way, this is the data on the fastest animals. So we're going to click on the blue button, which is also a thunder icon. Now we have a nice looking chart. And here you can see the speed in miles per hour to the lowest. You might see the popular cheetah there, which is 75 miles per hour. But you can see the golden eagle, which is faster than a cheetah, which is at 200 miles per hour. Now, an interesting feature here is you don't have to use what has been created. You have other options. There is a sidebar, which is highlighted in blue, and you could go over it and hover. Now, when you hover over it, you can see that the infographic changes. We could hover down again, and you can see something like this, looking like an Olympic podium. And if you're not satisfied, you could also hover down and still go down if you want. Say you want to use the Olympic style podium, you can click on this one here. And when you click on it, you also have other variations for this design. So it's like a parent design and you have other variations. This is the first variation, this is the second, this is the third, and you get the point. There are other variations that we could use. We're going to take this one, which looked like the parent design, and there are other things you could do here. You could change the text font, you could change the palette color, and you have other settings here. If you're done with it, you can just simply tap outside the box, and there you have your infographic on these three fastest animals. However, you also notice that these are just three. However, we provided a data set of about 6. Now you could go again and click on the blue icon, and this other one here presents more options. In fact, it presents everything. So we could decide to use it. When we click outside it, we now have exactly what we looked for. On the right side, you can see the add comment icon here. So you could also add a comment if you want to. And that is how you get to create an infographic with Napkin AI. Now, if you have other designs and you might want to name this, currently it's untitled. And that's because this is just a placeholder. So we're going to name it Fastest Animals. And there we have it. So at the bottom here, you have some other icons here which perform different functions. You have the image if you want to insert an image, sketch, or also get to add a label. At the end, this will be saved in your library, which can be found at the top left corner. When you click on library, you can see Fast Animals. It also has the 3 dots there. When you tap on it, you can download as a PDF, delete this napkin, or duplicate this napkin. And as with any creation, if you want to share it, you can click on share. And when you click on share, you can see where you could put the email address. And then when it comes to the permission, only people with access can open the link. Now, if you want to change this and make this public, you can just click on it to drop down the menu and select anyone with the link. And then at the bottom right corner of this dialog box, you can click on copy link, and we have the link copied. And then you also have the option to download PDF. We're going to do that. And then you have some options here as a single continuous page or A4 pages. We're going to select a continuous page and export it. And you can see it's currently exporting. And now we have Fast Animals. If we click open on this, you can see the PDF is now generated. So this is how to use Napkin AI.